Hey guys, Zach here again, here to show you how to properly wash your rim and tire. Now, whether you work for an outsource company or a dealership group, or you're just a mobile detailer yourself, these two products, our chrome and wire and our purple stuff degreaser, are the two most basic products you could use to clean your tire. The tools you're gonna need are gonna be gloves for your protection. You're also gonna need your stiff nylon brush and your cone brush. This car has been sitting in our bay for about 30 minutes, so the surface temperature of this tire is cooled down. But say for instance, you go to somebody or they bring you their vehicle, they've been driving all day, you definitely need to bring the surface temperature of this tire down. And let's just rinse this tire down. This initial rinse will also help get off all that surface brake dust and road grime that we've had on there. So gloves on. Now we're gonna spray our degreaser all along the tire. As you can tell, there's already browning starting to happen. And then we're gonna spray our acid cleaner from the bottom of the rim up. And the reason why we do that is so that way, when we do have runoff, it doesn't etch, the lines on the runoff doesn't etch into the rim itself. Now, let's clean the tire. Don't forget to spray some on your brush as well. Now we rinse. All right, guys, this is how you properly wash your tire and rim.